Hey, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been doing a lot of Halloween looks, but I thought I'd rein it in because we are over Halloween now. So I'm actually going to see a show tonight called Making of a Murderer, which I'm really excited for. Just doing a look that's super simple and I can throw my glasses over the top. I'm actually not sure why, but I started with my brows tonight and that's just something that I never do. I normally do my eyes, my base and then my brows. So all I'm doing is taking the micro brow pencil from NYX and underlining the bottom of my brow. And then repeating the same on the upper outer 3/4 of my brow, just so I get the shape that I'm actually looking for. For me personally, I do prefer a fluffy and more natural brow, so I do brush all of the hairs in the same direction. And then I like to take a brow gel, so in this instance I'm using the Got To Be brow gel, because if you haven't used this already, it's amazing. So I just brush all the hairs up and make sure they're all in place. For base at the moment, I'm not really feeling a heavy coverage. I only ever go for a light coverage on my foundation anyway. If you're looking for the Charlotte Tilbury dupe, this is 100,000% the one you need to go for. It's the e.l.f. Halo Liquid Glow. Just keep in mind though that these shades do come up really warm. I'm only using the shade 1, which is classed as fair, and it does come out really yellowy. And what I'd suggest is going down in the shade that you're looking for. Like I mentioned earlier, I never do my brows first, so I'm having to go over them again because I put some foundation on them. Next I'm just going ahead and applying concealer in all the areas that I want more coverage. So that's usually my nose, my under eyes, my forehead and the chin area. This concealer is so good. It's the HMB Cosmetics by Holly Boone, and it's such a nice, natural, but super full coverage concealer. And by natural, I don't mean it looks natural, I just mean it's not cakey and it doesn't look like you've got another layer on top of your normal skin. I personally like to use a brush and then go over it with my finger to make it melt into the skin a bit more, but you can use your fingers and you can use a sponge. And taking the Nudestix contour stick in Bondi Bay, this is absolutely incredible. It only takes a second to blend out. I like to take it on my temples, my cheekbones and my nose, but you can obviously tailor it to your own face shape. This just works for me. I actually encourage everybody to use a cream contour before going in with anything else because it's so easy and it just looks natural. I'm also using the same brush that I use for my concealer and my foundation. Then I thought I'd try a new product, so I'm trying the Milk Cheek. I don't know, it's like a multi-use product. It's absolutely beautiful, don't get me wrong, but the packaging was just a bit naff. That's definitely a me thing though, not a packaging thing. Also, when I was putting it away, the smell of it is incredible. It just smells so fruity and so nice. And again, blending like a dream. You can use the same brush as you used for the other parts, but I did go in with more of a dense brush. Then going in with the HMB Holly Boone Cosmetics, which is a loose translucent powder. I absolutely love this stuff, and as you can tell, it's running out. I need some more. Personally, I like a glowy complexion, so I only take it in the T-zone area, so that's my forehead, my nose and my chin, and then I do a little bit on in between the nose and the cheek. If you like a glow, Luminoso Blush is beautiful, and it's by Maybelline Cosmetics. As per usual, getting a little bit carried away with highlighter all over my face. Highlighter goes in the high points of your face, so I like to put it on my nose, the tops of my cheekbones and the tops of my temples. And of course the TikTok special, We Cherie Mist. Then going in with a bronzer and just running that on the eyelids. Not sure what was going on with me today, to be honest. I thought that was a mirror, but nope. I'm just running this through the crease and on the lid, going for a bit of like the latte trends sort of vibe. Also, who else is a victim of pulling some seriously ugly faces when they're doing the mascara and eye makeup? Because I'm 100% that person. And then if you've got super straight lashes like me, curl them up to the sky and repeat on both sides. I like to take it for at least 7 seconds and just pump it a few times. And then taking some mascara. I didn't want to be too boring because I was going out to watch a show with my parents, so I thought I'd whack on a red lipstick. A red lipstick to me is, if you don't already know, is a nude lipstick, and I would rather wear that over a nude lipstick any day. This is the newer KVD Hyperlight Everlasting lipstick, and you know what, it actually is a lot better than their old formula. By the way, if you're not confident with just going in with your liquid lipstick, I do recommend going in with a lip liner first, just so you got the shape and you got that right before going over the top with the liquid lipstick. Now adding a bit more drama to my lashes, because I'm not actually wearing false eyelashes today, and I'm just going in with another coat of mascara. I redid my hair because I thought it was a bit too same old, so I took out some frame pieces and curled them. So this is me without my glasses, and this is me with. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next video.